Here we are out standing in the field once again in a wheat field. We were in wheat the other day looking at some leaf diseases. Today I want to focus on that. You'll be walking across your wheat fields and you'll notice a plant or two that has yellow discoloration, and they're pretty easy to spot as you're walking across the fields. They're often stunted. They always have yellow tips. Most likely this is Barley yellow dwarf virus. Could be two other things. Could be Clavibacter bacteria that infected the seed. Could be soil-borne wheat mosaic virus. Could be a combination of all three. The tests that we've taken over the past couple of years generally show that these diseases are not existing in a vacuum. They're existing together. And so it's something that you need to be aware of, because they will, in some cases, overwinter in the soil. They will be transferred by aphids. Barley yellow dwarf virus will be transmitted by aphids in the fall. There's not a whole lot you can do about it in the spring, but make sure that you're choosing varieties that have some resistance to barley yellow dwarf virus. Clavibacter bacteria will also infect the seed. There's not a whole lot you can do about that. Once it's in there, you just have to make sure that you have seed that is free of Clavibacter bacteria. And the third one, soil-borne wheat mosaic, that will infect a fungus that lives in the soil. And when the fungus penetrates the plants, the virus moves back into the plant and gets transferred that way. So 3 things you need to watch out for. They are increasing as time goes by. Over the last 3 or 4 years, the amount of these 3 that we've seen in fields has steadily increased to the point where it's becoming a problem. So you do need to be out scouting your fields, looking for these type of things, and talking to your seed dealer, figuring out what we're going to do. We wrote in our winter newsletter about these 3 diseases in particular, so make sure you grab a copy of that. You can also look on our website and read it as well.